Great question. And this is for all of my ML heads on the call, right? Predictive models are very different than agentic non-deterministic models, and this is one of those ways. So for ML model, I have a predefined schema. I actually might have ground truth as one of my vector sort of feature columns or labels, right? And so there's a lot of predetermined data that says this is what good is supposed to look like, and then compare actual against my forecast for what it would do. In the agentic world, this is where data sets become really important. And a lot of the pre-production flows that Nick showed us earlier are critical. So in the industry, a lot of people call these evals or experiments kind of interchangeably. The idea is you might have a sample of what good looks like. That could be human curated and annotated, like your VP of customer success going in and answering 20 questions in the perfect way, or it might be synthetically generated. It's totally up to you. But you can use that data set and the inputs from that data set to compare the expected output to the actual output of your application. And we give you simple and clean, lightweight SDKs to be able to do that and run that function. And so whether you want to do that in a notebook or actually in production environments and code, totally up to you. But the idea would be to actually prompt your LLM or prompt your agent with the inputs from your data set and compare what actually comes back to what you thought should have come back. And that's so much more than just one turn. That can actually become a whole trace over time or multiple points to compare in order to win. For example, you might want to make sure that for a particular input prompt from a customer, that you call the right tool for the job, as well as have a reasonable final output at the end. So this is where evals become critically important and provide some structure to a non-deterministic world. And yes, that is part of the Fiddler platform and part of our story of end-to-end serving developers across the lifecycle.